Dag nabbit. Splitter, look at your clothes. Your hair is falling out. But it's falling out evenly and systematically. I don't know if that is something there's the Blue Jays. I know y'all want me to feed y'all peanuts first. Okay. Hold on. Peanut jar right here. And you hear those Blue Jays out there hollering. They said, show us some respect. There you go. There, didn't take but a moment. He flew in and flew out. There's the Blue Jays. Get that peanut and run, huh? Ooh, take the peanuts and run. It was a baby brown squirrel out there. Oh, y'all having a Blue Jay fever, huh?